judge is a proud mother of 3 siblings, an event organizer, a pageant host, and also the representative of the municipality of Bourbon to the Samahan Tagapagtaguyod ng Katutubong Sayaw ng Pilipinas, the National Folk Dance Workshop, both held in Bago City, Negros Occidental, 2023, and the recent one in the city of San Jose del Monte in Bulacan this year, 2024. A cultural coordinator of Cadaruhan Elementary School. Ladies and friends, our judge number 2, Mrs. Jessa Magdalaro. And a teacher by profession, a former Bundok Silangan Performing Arts member, and DepEd Cebu Teachers Dance Troupe member. A lifetime member of the Philippine Folk Dance Society National Chapter, attended the National Workshop on Folk Dances in the Philippines, recently the one held in the city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, a winning coach in cultural competition in DepEd Cultural Competition for 7 consecutive years, and the Girl Scout of the Philippines Folk Dance Competition for 3 consecutive years. A dance enthusiast, trainer and performer, a pageant coordinator, and presently an elementary school principal for Antonia Milagros Elementary School at the Lugo, Bourbon, Cebu. Our chairman of the Board of Judges, ladies and friends, Mr. Edgar Tinapay. And we would like to acknowledge also our official tabulators this afternoon. We have Mr. Martin J. Rivera and we have Martin John Mundo. And to read to us the criteria for judging for the street dancing competition and for the dance showdown, and also for the guidelines of each competition, please welcome our Chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Edgar Tinapay. A round of applause, please.